Hi, my name's Jenny. I'm doing an unboxing of the Mina Baie Stevie, and this is in their color Syrah. So I actually bought this secondhand off their Facebook marketplace, just because it is cheaper, and supposedly the seller said it was not used. So, and it looks like the seller wrapped it very nicely as Mina Baie would. And it always comes with a dust bag, which I like because I'm really bad at storing my bags. And as you can see, it's one of their minis. So it's kind of like a wine burgundy kind of color. So as you can see, there is a front pocket, two side pockets. And inside, there's straps, which will come with a shoulder strap and backpack straps. So you can see they have two zippered pockets in the front and the back. There's one big pocket there, two little ones in the front, and two on the side. Now I love their light interior just because you can see everything. And this one is actually water resistant. I've spilled melted chocolate in this and it wiped off so easily with just water.